Hi there, I'm Roger Pickett, owner of MurMaid Mattress, and we're standing here in the middle of our factory in Cleveland, Tennessee. MurMaid actually started in 1979 as a single store location that had a factory in the back room. Today, we have a 25,000 square foot facility right here that we make all of our mattresses in. Our slogan is better mattress, better price. And at MurMaid, we really do believe that because we use the highest quality of foams, the highest quality of intercoils that go into the mattresses, and we have the highest quality people working for us. We have a number of employees that have been with us for up to 30 years, and we're very proud of that fact. At MurMaid Mattress, we try to buy from as many local vendors as we can. Our foam company that we buy from is here in Cleveland. Our spring maker, Leggett & Platt, is in Atlanta. Our wood comes from Kentucky. So it's all right here bordering the state of Tennessee. So we really are a local company. As the raw materials come through the door, they come in one door and are spread out through the building. We do our own quilting here at MurMaid. We do our own cut and sew operation here. So we really have everything under this roof that it takes to build a good mattress. I've been telling people for years that we're a little bit like Taco Bell. You know, you got a certain number of ingredients that you can make a vast array of different products out of. So we really have a wide array of quality and feel that you can choose at MurMaid Mattress based on the products that we sell. The process of making the mattress starts with the quilting first. We actually have two quilting machines. One is strictly for the borders that we quilt, and the other is for the tops that we can sew up to 3 inches thick with tack and jump capacity that we can tailor the mattresses where they really shine on the floor. And just like the components that go into the mattress, we can actually change the feel by the quilting and the way we quilt it on top. We have memory foams, soft foams, firm foams that we run through our quilting machine, so the top panel is the final thing that really sets the comfort off, that lets you enjoy the new mattress that you'll have for years to come. As the cut-to-size panels come off the quilter, they are then taken over to the seamstress where they are serged and flanged. And then the next step is going over where they're actually building up the layers on top of the mattress. That could be an inner spring core, or it might be a foam core on an all-foam mattress. But as the layers are added on there, then the quilted top is put on top. Then the mattress can be taken to the tape edge machine and sewn and completed, taken on to the next table for inspection and packaging and taken to our warehouse area. I just want to end it today by saying thank you for touring our factory with us on this short video. We hope that you have enjoyed seeing the process of how we put together mattresses and knowing that we enjoy the process of making our customers comfortable and really healthier. And so we are blessed to be able to be a part of your comfort, your health, and your better night's sleep.